That's so cute. Oh, what's that movie? Stand By Me? When them boys lean on me?
No, Stand By Me.
No, when the boys was walking.
Yeah, Stand By Me.
Stand By Me. So let me tell y'all what these are for. Dang, I can say it. Okay, so listen. It's the river. So when the river flood, they get these to help build the wall so that way the river doesn't flood the town. He said it better than that, but I just learned that, but I'm gonna act like I'm an expert. Yeah, so yeah, that's what that's for, and I taught y'all something. You taking photos of me from this angle too.
Yeah.
Yes. So look, behind the boat, what is that? Doo, 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 doo. My man got a helicopter in his backyard. So my first thought was, is he single? But I'm here with a guy, so I can't be a thought. So my second thought was, I wonder what I can sell him that's not ass, you perverts. Oh, I'm about to be a telemarketer. I don't know, but I want to know what you do to have a helicopter in your backyard and you just living off the river. Do you believe in the Loch Ness Monster?
What?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
Because
You don't believe there's an imaginary dragon underneath imaginary water trying to get to us?
in a lock.
Or hiding?
In a lock in Ireland that's been landlocked forever. Never had access to the sea. How would anything get in there? All that's from snowmelt.
What?
The Loch Ness is filled with fresh water from snowmelt, glacier melt.
Oh, so you're saying it can only be in that area?
I'm saying that there was no creatures in
And this.
No. It was never connected to the ocean.
So I feel you. So I don't even know what the damn monster is. I just thought it was an imaginary monster, but the way you're describing it now sounds like you're telling me that this is a particular monster that belongs in one sea.
It's a plesiosaur that's lived in the Loch Ness in Ireland.
See, I don't know that, and I don't think many people know that. I'm thinking there might be one in this river.
Okay.
Just like they say with, I don't know. I just proved how dumb I am, so I'm gonna stop recording.
That's not dumb.
Well, you're a nerd, so.
Ill-informed is not dumb.
Why do you know that?
What?
About the like, how do you just randomly have that information?
You'd be amazed with the things I read.
He's a reader.
Because I'm a nerd. Get you one. So his wife came there to plead his case. She's pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
And they hung both of them and cut her baby belly.
You did not tell me that. So these are the markers of the flood throughout the history of floods in this area. And this one says 100-year flood elevation, 145 feet. And then the one on top of that says 1929. And then this one says 1940, 1948. And they finally figured out how to get the river to stop flooding in 1964.
They built the dam.
That's when they built the dam. That's cool. Blah, blah, blah. Indian. They took this from the Indians. They say this was the most popular the most heavily traveled road in Georgia. Georgia. I swore I just saw a random white dove just flying.
Oh, I think I found.
Fun fact, Augusta, Georgia is the birthplace of James Brown. Cool, right? No, that wrong side. Give me my side. No. Oh man, what you been smoking? Can I have some? You smoking something good? Can you get done? Oh my gosh. It's just popping out, y'all. No. It looks like somebody wrote with a marker. It does not. Don't try to make me see you're crazy. I could definitely perform here. You would definitely perform there. Don't trip now. Kind words are like honey. So smooth and sweet. The past few days have been really rough for me. So when he realized that I was in need, he came and got me and was like, grab your skates, and just took me to the river and found me a place where I can just skate all night. Love, love, love a good friend like that.